Hey y'all, and welcome back. I am freshly washed. I just washed all of the Shea Bay out after about 3 months of having it in. And yeah, I was ready to play with my hair again. I wanted to give it a break because I had braids in for about 3 months, and then I did Shea Bay for 3 months, and now I'm going to experiment and play with my hair again. Yeah, so don't judge my sections. I was literally just trying to get all of the Shea Bay out of my hair, so I was working in sections and combining sections as I went. But this is freshly washed hair. I'm literally just got done, and so my hair is still kind of damp, and I'm applying castor oil to my hair. And then I'll also be applying some shea butter on parts of it, just because I wanted to see how my hair would respond to the style I'm about to do. And right now, I was just showing you that my hair, the length of it is now at my belly button in the front. So on parts of it, like I said, I'm going to be using shea butter and the castor oil. So it's basically like the LOC method, liquid oil cream. And then on other parts of it, I'm just going to be doing the castor oil with no shea butter, just because I wanted to see how it goes. So yeah, this time I wanted to do a high puff, like a bun type deal. So I was like, I wanted to do perm rods so that my puff would look kind of, cute and formed. But I couldn't find my perm rods, but I did find my curl formers. So I was like, that's an easy way for it to get dry and still have a style, and then transition into a puff as it gets older. So this is just the back of my hair, and I'm showing that in the front, the back of my hair comes to my belly button. Then I'm gonna do a length check for the back of my hair on my back. And it has grown a little bit. I'm still not at my goal that I want. I want to be completely, fully like at my butt. Not like a point at my butt. Like I want all of my hair, majority, to be at my butt. And then I'm going to do a length check on the other side in the back as well, and just showing you in the front that the back reaches my belly button, and just going to do the same thing on the back. And so right now it's like right at my, I guess, hip, or basically where your pants rest. Like when you have them on, that's where it's at. And so yeah, this is the results. I was very happy, or I am very happy. I didn't use heat. I just let it air dry. And I didn't notice a difference between using the castor oil by itself and then using the castor oil and the butter. I really couldn't tell a difference in like how the curls look or felt or anything like that. But I just did want to put some moisture on my hair, and also I wanted this style to kind of take and look a little shiny, kind of like I just came from the salon. And so I did want to add something to my hair rather than just putting the curl formers in after washing. But yeah, I think it looks really good. My scalp is, clean, healthy. My hair is healthy, still bounces, still has shrinkage. And it felt really good. It didn't feel weird or anything like that. So I was very, very happy with this style. And the fact that I got this style without using any heat. Because I was kind of debating if I wanted to sit under a dryer or not. And I kind of wanted the blow dryer look as well, but I didn't necessarily want to sit there and use all that heat on my hair. So yeah, I'm very pleased with how this happened and how it worked. And if you are looking at using curl formers or wondering how many I used, this is only one pack of curl formers, and I use all but 4 of them. So I had 4 left over, and they covered my whole head. The only issue that I had is my hair is longer than the actual curl formers, so my ends kind of stuck out. So if you notice like my ends look a little frizzy, that's because they didn't get inside the curl former. They were hanging out